like everything else, there's more than one kind. You know, but we like that, right? We like more than one flavor, right? Okay, so we're going to have two types of sensory receptors, exteroceptors and interoceptors. Extero, let it tell you what it means. It's external, okay, or superficial. Interoceptors are internal, okay? So they're going to be deeper. So the exteroceptors are going to be located near the body surface. They're going to receive and transmit stimuli from outside the body. And so this is basically where your five senses come from. Okay, so sight, sound, smell, taste, touch. Okay, those are your basic exteroceptors. So when we were doing light touch and hot, cold, those are all exteroceptors. Okay, interoceptors, interior receptors. So they include receptors for cutaneous sensations such as heat, cold, pain, and pressure, you know, those kinds of things. And so light touch is external, hearing is external, heat and cold are going to be more of a deeper sense. Okay. And it was funny, I was actually thinking about y'all yesterday in the clinic because I had a guy that had some significant sensory loss in his hand. And I had to do all the tests that we did on him. Okay. And our interoreceptors can be further subdivided into two classes. So visceroreceptors and proprioceptors. Proprioceptors. We tested proprioception, didn't we? Yay! So you know what that is. Visceroreceptors, your viscera or your organs. Okay? So these are going to be receptors that receive impulses from the viscera, so your body organs. And I've seen some information out there that seems to indicate, like you've seen, like acupuncture charts, or like a chart of a hand or a chart of a foot, where there's like all of your body's represented in pressure points on your hand or your foot. I've actually read some things that indicate that the same thing is true inside your colon. True, not true, I don't know. I don't know, but your gut, where you get a gut feeling from.
There'll just be some wrong needles for acupuncture.
Well, that's the whole basis for people that do colonic therapy. And that's a whole other class. Okay, proprioceptors receive impulses from the tissue directly concerned with musculoskeletal movement. So where we find proprioceptors are typically in the joints. Because that, remember what proprioception tells us is where our body is in space, right? Okay, so proprioceptors are the receptors that receive impulses that occur because of body movements or positions, and they're located in the muscles and tendons and joints, including the surrounding and protective tissues. So the joint capsule, the ligaments, the fibrous membranes, all of that stuff help with our proprioception.